version 6.1, 0 revisions. The original software from the IBM PS2 Model 3286, and it's all original from the 80s. I'm selling this whole machine, and I'm just going to take the best offer on it. It has an EPSON LX-800 printer, and this is from 1986. It's got the ribbon in it, made in Japan. This is all made in America, the IBM PS2 Model 3286. It has everything on the back is all there. You know, all the attachments and everything. The plugs, these cables in here, they're all good. All the little wires and everything is there. Everything is perfect. It's in mint condition, and it's all original. So it's got the monitor, the monochrome display, personal system 2, all original. The Model M Clicky keyboard, IBM, and this is the old PS2 personal system 2, Model 3286, and it's definitely a good one. So, if you'd like to purchase it, let me know. Email me your comment, and I'll reply to you. Best offer to have it. In Tempe, Arizona, even better, you can pick it up. If not, we're going to have to figure out some shipping. All right.